Alright guys, so we're starting with Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency, you guys. I have my lines and graphs already set. This allows us to find the direction and trend that our stock is in, our support and resistance lines, and all that good stuff, okay? So as of right now, you can see that we're just super overextended, you guys, and due for a pullback. This right here was not the pullback, you guys. This this little hammer candlestick was not the pullback. I know some of you guys are putting in the comments like, oh, you were right, we did pull back. No, this is not the pullback, you guys. You guys just wait. It's going to be more of a parabolic move than anything, like I said. So it's probably going to happen like that. And we'll more than likely pull back down to these lower levels of support. Either we'll be back here at the 41 cent, you guys, or even here at the 33 cent, you guys. So these are both heavily tested areas. I don't have a line here yet. I can put one here so you guys can visualize that. Maybe a little bit lower. Right there. All right, you can see this candlestick is resting on the support side, and both these other candlesticks are on the resistance side. You can see this candle came up and hit this area, these two, and then ultimately this third one over here. So this is a heavily tested area as well. Remember, you guys, we want to test these levels at least 3 times, and if you can't test them that many times, then you could always go farther back in history or on the chart and try to find these levels. Okay, so as of right now, you guys can see that we did come up all the way up to the 69 cent area, and then at that point is where we started to pull back. We were still above the trend line, and that's pretty much a given because of how much of a upward trend that we were before, basically just in a straight line. So what we're looking for is we're looking for the best entry to get in, okay? So getting in as of right now would not be the smartest idea just because we have so much room to pull back to, you guys. So I like to say this a lot, but it's really important. So if you're going to run a marathon, you're not going to take a 15-minute break, what you guys are seeing right here, a 15-minute break, and run another marathon. It just does not work that way. It does not happen, you guys, unless it's super manipulated. So with specifically this stock though, this cryptocurrency, I don't believe it's ever manipulated. However, some penny stocks are, so you have to be careful with that. But with this right now being all the way up here and super extended, and we have these 3 tops right here. Basically, you can see that we hit this area and stopped, we hit this area and stopped, and now we're back over here as well. So like I said, the safest entry for you guys to get in is to wait for a pullback, and that being around in the 42 cent area or the 33 cent area. Getting in right now would be the most aggressive thing you could ever do. I mean, if you like to trade that way, by all means, go ahead. But I'm just here to kind of give you guys an example of exactly what you're looking at, and ideal entries and safer entries where you could get in and without having to risk too much, you know what I mean? So like if you're gonna get on one of these trades, of course I hope you guys have a mental stop loss or a stop loss already placed in your mindset, because we want to minimize our risk as much as possible. That is the name of this game, you guys, is to protect your assets at all costs. Okay, so I hope this video helped any type of way. I like to make these fast and efficiently. Other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.